Guys, Mikul here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Corsair K70 M.2 keyboard, and this is the Cherrry MX Brown switch. As you can see here, and this is a mechanical keyboard that's RGB, so by Corsair obviously. So let's open it up. So first we have the keyboard here, so you guys take this out, and just take out all the packaging. Yes. Okay, so it has two USB ports, but I think I know why. It's because there is a USB pass-through here on the back, so you can plug in something here. And we also have the standard race things. And let's take out this packaging, which is stuck. So here it is. So let's go through the rest of it. So we have a thick manual and then we have replaceable. Oh, so these are replaceable keypads for F, D, E, R, and Q, and W, and we also have some other ones here. So I think that'll be pretty nice. We can try those out later. And we also got a wrist rest, which is nice and convenient because they're both fun to use, and also they help feel really good. So I'm pretty sure they just snap on in from the back. And then there's our keyboard, and we also okay, so this is like pretty clicky. This is a brown switch, and the reason we went with the brown switch is because it's because it's balanced for both gaming and typing. And blues obviously is more like a typewriter. So that's why we chose this. And also it has media keys, power, and then all this. And this is an RGB keyboard, which is really nice. And I guess that's it. Now let's just take off some of these keys because we can. I'm not sure how. Just pull it off. Yep. And you can see the brown, and you can see the key itself. So I guess the RGB comes from this thing around it, and here's the key. I guess. I mean, if you want as a prank, you can take it, snap it there, and escape there, and no one will notice. But obviously the function doesn't change, it's just the keycap. So you can change it into whatever keycaps you want. So, and actually, I'm just gonna put it back. So these are actually pretty easy to remove. This looks nice, it's made of aluminum, and it feels really good. And these are curved, and it's, in terms of typing, that's from what I can do, it's good. And we just got in some keys. You got an S. So you have WASD keys, so let's just pop them off. So if you want, oh, I see. There is a really convenient key remover. And so now you can do things for like gaming, where you just, these actually have, so these are both different colors and they are textured differently. And obviously it goes well with that. So I guess that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.